In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Zoom with HubSpot. By the end, you'll have Zoom connected through HubSpot's app marketplace, so your meetings and webinars can seamlessly tie back to your CRM. First, make sure you're signed in to the correct HubSpot account and that you have permission to install apps. If you don't see certain options later on, it may be a permissions issue, so check with your admin. Start on your HubSpot home screen and look for the settings icon, typically in the main navigation bar. Click it to open your account settings. This is where HubSpot groups all the tools that manage connections and data flow. Inside settings, find the section labeled integrations. This area is dedicated to linking HubSpot with other platforms, so it's the right place to begin. Open integrations, then go to connected apps. This page shows what's already installed in your portal and gives you access to HubSpot's app marketplace. From connected apps, choose the option to go to the app marketplace. The marketplace is a catalog of vetted integrations that work natively with HubSpot, making setup smoother and more secure than custom connections. Once the marketplace loads, use the search bar and type Zoom. Keep the spelling simple, just the word Zoom, to bring up the official listing quickly. You should see Zoom appear in the results with its recognizable branding and integration details. Click on the Zoom listing to open its page. Here, you can review what the integration does, common use cases, and what data can sync between the two systems. It's worth scanning this page to confirm it matches your goals, like syncing meeting attendees, creating or updating contacts, and logging engagement to timelines. When you're ready, click Install. HubSpot will guide you through the standard install flow from here. You'll typically see a summary of requested permissions and what the integration will access, so you can understand how information will move between Zoom and HubSpot. This transparency helps ensure your team's data governance needs are met. A couple of tips as you proceed. Make sure you're using the Zoom account that your organization relies on for meetings and webinars, so the right events and registrants sync. Also, if you manage multiple HubSpot environments, double check you're installing it in the intended one. That's it. By navigating to settings, opening integrations, checking connected apps, heading to the marketplace, searching for Zoom, opening the listing, and selecting Install, you've set up the foundation for syncing Zoom with HubSpot. Once connected, you'll be able to track Zoom engagement alongside your contact and company records, giving your team a fuller picture of customer activity.